What's good with y'all, man? We tuning in to another video, man. I'm gonna have to come up with something else, man. I can't wear my brown coat right now because it'd be a little too warm for a brown coat. But anyway, man, we back with another video on Big Meech. Something simple. I mean, it's just something to give y'all something to watch, man, or whatever. I mean, y'all done saw this meeting one time and explained and showed it. But I was like, man, I'm about to get to it, so I might as well have y'all out here with me while I'm getting to it. But we about to change the studs in Big Meech. They're real wheel studs. I already got them, and I got to do something about these wheels, man, like ASAP. Y'all know the motor about to go in at the time of the video. Y'all see Rick Cole here. Y'all saw the other video, so the motor about to go in Big Meech, man. But by the time what I think gonna be mess around and be done happen, I'm gonna get the car fired up, and I ain't even gonna have no wheels and tires on the car. Still can't go nowhere. And it need front rotors and brakes and all that still need to be changed, man. It's stuff around it that gotta be done. So I'm gonna have the car running, but as soon as I get it running, I ain't even gonna be able to drive it immediately because I gotta do other stuff around it. Like I said, I need to change all the brakes and just be on the safe side before I even talk about moving it and taking it to the muffler shop. So I gotta get all that done, man, get it cleaned out, all that other stuff, you know. But today I'm finna pull a Rick car forward while I can move on its own power so I can get over there. And what I'm thinking, I'm probably gonna change just the passenger side for right now, cause look, I'm gonna show y'all something, man. Y'all know that wildlife be out here, and I ain't fooling with it, and I still ain't got a tow over here. I just thought about it while I'm talking to y'all. Y'all see that? I ain't going over there. I ain't going over there. These snakes and stuff out here too. It ain't happening. I am not squatting down over there trying to fit no jack over there and all that. So that side not getting done today. Cause after a while I'll be able to, and for one, I'm not finna bother with pushing the car. Man, I got ants on this bad boy. Y'all see that? Hold on, let me brighten it up. See the tire? So that's another thing. That tire does not pump up. So when I'm trying to move this car forward, man, it is no joke. Even when you put a tire on there, it still ain't no joke, cause it got a mini spool in it. So when you try to turn it just a little bit, it rough. So like I said, I'm gonna put that tire on, finna pull a Rick cord, put this chain of studs out. I already got my tools ready. Y'all know the impact make everything fast. So for people that just now tuning in and don't know how to do this, maybe this your first video, this all you need. Get you a hammer. I got me a big mallet, man. That knock them out one hit. To a hammer so you can knock the studs out. This actually was made, like, it ain't welded, it just happened like that. But you put your washer in a old lug nut on there to pull the new studs through. Of course you need your new studs. Then most Chevrolet either 19mm or 21. Oh, you also need this. Yeah, boy, you got to have this. You ain't got to, but it right here. Boy, this thing make the job a whole lot easier. You got an impact. So there you go. We got that ready. Let me pull this car forward and then we're gonna get to it. Alright, y'all, I moved the car, and these two, y'all already know they were gonna be outside every time. Every time, just like they said on Friday, every time I'm in the kitchen, you in the kitchen. Every time I'm outside, y'all outside. All in the way. All asking questions. All doing everything. What you doing today?
Blowing up the flight.
What are you doing? Getting in trouble?
No.
Get back, get back. See, look at you.
Her nap, and I just stayed in it. Tinny went in her.
Alright. Oh, wait. Look at that. They finna double team. But anyway, I'm about to look at it. Oh, I finna get him. I finna get me one. About to get me one. But anyway, alright. So about to slide over here to Big Meech. All I'm gonna do is I guess I'm just gonna unbuckle the cover right here. Just flip it back Cause this all we need. We just need the wheel right here. Get to the wheel and tire. Get this thing jacked up. Knock the studs out. Boom, boom, bam. You know what knocking studs out is? Nah, I know you can learn today. Anyway, so I guess I'm gonna show her then. I'm gonna knock the studs out, and then we gonna have some fresh, shiny new studs and all that. So let's get to it, y'all.
I have to see right here.
Nah, you got to pay attention. Look, first step, you got to jack the car. So you take this, turn it to the right. Which way is the right? All right, turn it to the right. So then you got to jack your car. You see this part right here? Look, you see this? That big part is called a frame. You always.
I can't get basketball.
It ain't a basketball. You always jack a cord by the
I
frame.
can't get a ball.
You listen?
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
It's on the frame. You don't jack it up by the frame, you can hurt yourself. Here, come and jack it up. Big little ball, team. Jack it up. Use two hands. You gotta push it down. Look. Come right here. Come right here. Look. Don't do it like that. Hold your hand, push it down. Put your weight on, pull it down. Jack it up, push it. There you go, push it down. Pull it how you need to then. Hard down. Come on. Look, jack it up. The towel off the ground yet? Look, nope, right here. We looking at this tire. There you go up some more though. Jack it up. Watch your knee. Never put your knee on there. Hold on, jack it up. Look, ready? Top of the ground?
Yep.
Alright, look, jack it up. Watch your knee. Look, don't never put your knee on there. Press down.
You know, when you put your knee under there, what's gonna happen?
You're gonna get crushed.
And by
Oh,
there,
you still got jack it up. You ready? Jack it up. Oh, you see it tight? We almost out the ground. Come on, jack it up. Press it. Press it. Ready? Push it. Come on, one more time. Now we out the ground, tie the ground, right? You know what we need now? Jack stand. Go get jack stand. Okay, so y'all see me and Cheryl got the car jacked up. She bringing the jack stand. Definitely teach her safety. She got the jack stand. Alright, so we got a jack stand. Look, anytime you working on the car, when you jack it up, you always put a jack stand on here. You see that big part? What I just told you this part called? You don't forgot the frame. What is it?
A frame.
Frame. Is it under the frame?
Yeah.
Is it under there?
Yeah.
Is it under there good? Alright. Y'all put the jack stand on there. Now go get the impact. She know what the impact is. She definitely know what the impact is. I tell her go get that all the time. You bring the impact.
I'll do that one.
Nah, you can't do the impact. It might hurt your wrist. And look, bring my 2 sockets. That's laying on the ground by my hammer. Bring me the hammer, 2 sockets. Gotta teach them, man. Teach them early. So we about to get this wheel off of here. My part changed. Alright. So now I'm finna let her film. Alright, y'all. So we man. Get the wheel off. How fast is it? Man, I love this thing, man. I'm telling you, best tool I ever bought. Need to go up something. There we go. So first thing, get your brake drum off. See, they're pretty loose. That bad boy heavy too now. Hold on, let me see them. Get this off. Brake drum off. Brake bend chain, they don't look too bad back there. Still see a little color in the springs and all that. They got a little bit on them, but I'm probably gonna change them. But see, y'all seen the process many times. You take this bad boy and just, oh, I'm gonna have to get for real, huh? There you go. One out. Then we take this. We got the new ones. Let's see. It should be a breeze. Hey, my boy, Ha David, that make me think about this about to be a breeze. Hold on, young fella, whatever you say. Big fella, that's what it is, my bad. I said young fella. Big fella, hold on, big fella. So, we got that. Where my little tool at? It's in my pocket. No, it ain't. Where my tool at? I hope Shell ain't lost my socket. Look, I need my little homemade socket to pull the thing back through. And now I can't find it. Hold on, so we're gonna go back over here. We can't pull the stud through without the tool. I can't find it. I done hid it. Let me see. Alright, so I can't find it for real. So let me find that and we're gonna get. Alright, so I found my tool. And we about to pull this bad boy on through. Impact, we're gonna be in there. We don't need it that violent. Let me see. Put on the setting. We're gonna put on setting number 2. I ain't found a lot of use for the setting 3. That ain't good. That ain't good. Got the wrong thing on there, I'm tripping. Might have done killed my tool. Y'all might have witnessed a uh-oh just that fast. A little more. A little more. We in there. There go one. On to the next. Alright, so y'all see it. Got all 5 in there. All of them in there flush. And yes, indeed, we good to go. Gonna pop that tie back on. Then I'm gonna catch y'all on the next clip. Alright, so y'all can see I got everything wrapped up. Got Rick car moved back. Meech back covered up. Like I said, I just did the passenger side car. I ain't going over there, like I said, man. I ain't going over there. Just try to give y'all a little entertainment, a little something to watch. I said, trying to teach baby girl how to fool with these cars a little bit and all of that. And like I said, I'm probably gonna give y'all another video after this. Tina, look at this, she just leaves stuff, take it in there. But I'm probably gonna give y'all another video after this, cause Rick coming over here actually today. So I'm gonna put it in a separate video for y'all instead of making a real long video. And he gonna start taking this out. So I'm gonna be filming it, filming this getting removed, filming it getting set in there, all of that. So y'all just stay tuned, man, and gonna keep the content coming, keep the flame coming, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.